Students, I hope that you are all well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also well. In the previous class, we discussed how we can change from simple sentence into compound sentence. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic from simple sentences into compound sentences. Look at the blackboard and jot down the rules in your exercise book. If the structure of simple sentence is perfect participle, perfect participle means having plus verb past participle, having plus verb past participle. In the compound sentence, it will be changed into a main verb. Having, have, has, had. In the present tense, it will be have, has, but in the past tense, it will be had. Having ended the work, he demanded his wages. Having ended the work, he demanded his wages. Here perfect participle is having plus past participle. After having, we see the past participle form of ended. It is perfect participle. In the compound sentence, the structure will be new clause plus and plus existing clause. Having ended the work, he had ended the work and demanded his wages. He had ended the work and demanded his wages. In the simple sentence, there is a phrase. If there is a phrase in spite of, or the word despite, or not with standing, or nevertheless, in the compound sentence, it will take a coordinating conjunction but, and the new clause plus but plus existing clause. In spite of his experience, he failed to manage the manager. In spite of his experience, he failed to manage the manager. Here we can see there is a phrase in spite of, it will be sense. he had experience, but he failed to manage the manager. Another example, in spite of his merit, he could not work out the sum. In spite of his merit, he could not work out the sum. He was meritorious, or he had merit, but he could not or could not work out the sum. My dear students, I hope that you are understanding the rules. Another rule, without plus gerund, if the structure of simple sentence is without plus gerund, we can change the sentence into compound sentence. New clause, coordinating conjunction, or and existing clause. Without studying medicine, you will not be able to be a doctor. Here the gerund will change into a main verb, study. Study medicine, or study medicine, or you will not be able to be a doctor. Without reading, you will not pass. Read, or you will not pass. My dear students, if the structure is by plus gerund, the compound sentence will be new clause, imperative clause. Plus and plus existing clause, the clause which exists in the sentence is called existing clause, but the clause which will make it is a new clause. By speaking the truth, you will be honored Speak the truth and you will be honored. Look at the blackboard and look at another rule. I can't go there without your permission. Here we cannot see gerund, but we can see without plus noun phrase. Your permission. Permission is a noun. I can't go there without your permission. Here without plus noun phrase, we can sense if we make a clause depending without plus noun phrase. I can't go there if I am not permitted. It is a complex sentence, but when we make it a compound sentence, I am not permitted and I cannot go there. I am not permitted and I cannot go there. I am not permitted and I cannot go there. I can't go there. If the simple sentence, if we see adjective clause, the adjective clause turned into a coordinate clause. The man walking in the field. Here walking in the field is an adjective phrase, walking in the field, not adjective clause. The man walking in the field is a farmer. Walking, the present participle will turn into a clause. The man walks in the field and he is a farmer. The driver driving the car is experienced. The driver drives the car and he is experienced. My students, our class is over. Next we will discuss about from complex to compound sentence or compound to simple sentence. Thank you very much.